Hello everybody, IMRAN here, and today I'm going to show you the simplest way to create graphics for your social media, for your website if you have one. And don't worry if you have never created any graphics, even if you don't know about Photoshop, it's going to be simple and easy. We are going to be using mobile, so just go to your store and let's get started. Alright, so now I'm sharing my screen for the first time. I'm going to just go to your Play Store and put in, just search Canva, C-A-N-V-A, search. And there it is. I have mine installed. I just tap open. Alright, now when you open Canva for the first time, you might see some messages, but if you are ready to go, you can see some of your favorites. These are the ones that I looked at and then tapped favorite because I like them, so they are stuck here for that matter. Anyways, we're going to come back to the Explore Canva. It contains all the categories that you can create from. But down here you can also see there is recently used. So if I tap clear all, I'll delete them if I no longer want to see them there. You can see animated social posts, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Facebook covers. Everything you need for your social media is here. Flyers, cards, even for your websites, for promoting your brochures on the website banners, blog banners. You can see them, YouTube chat, Pinterest pins, album. I can't finish them. Let me just go up here and let's go to see all, to explore Canva. Now when you explore Canva, you can see all these things you can create: brochures, resumes, menus, certificates, t-shirt designs. You can just create a quick design, export it to PDF, maybe print it out, and you're ready to go. I'm just going to go up here and maybe tap back. I'm going to use the search. I'll just put in story. Okay. If I put in story, you can see the options that you have. You have Facebook stories, you have Instagram stories, WhatsApp stories. I'm going to choose WhatsApp story. And within WhatsApp story, you can see all these templates and all these. You can even use a blank one, or you can choose from the templates. So all these templates are free, as you can see. The word free is always there. If the word free is not there, that means that image is for premium users. You can always find premium at the top here, just beside the search. Okay, so you upgrade and you can see what you can get for premium, but still all these ones are free for you. So I'm just going to tap one of these. I think I'm going to go with this one, and then I can tap edit, and then I can change the words here. I'm going to call this one the easiest way to create a post. Right, you can scale them, you can scale the text. I'm just going to tap up here. You can search a font here. Let me see whether this font is there. It's called the Sans. It's not. I'll just go with the one that is selected. I'll tap this cross up here, top left, and then I want to reduce the size. I'll tap this one, and then you can use this control to reduce the size of the text. Easy, right? I just tap this tick. You can change out the color. I'm going to leave that color. I think it's nice. I'm going to tap here, and I'll put in my call to action. Maybe I'm going to include a link there. So I'll just say, click the link. No, it's not to click a link. I can still watch the video. Why do I always like clicking? I will say watch video. I just put something here. Maybe it's like a small emoji. You can put anything. You can put anything. I will put this one. So I will just tap back to the left bottom corner. You see the keyboard icon there to accept the changes you have made. So you can tap on the image also to change out the image. But if you are able to select the image right there, you can go to your gallery and select an image that is best fit for your ad. Or you can go to images or image, and you will find where you will find the Canva library. So you can search anything here. Maybe let me search marketing or social media. I'm going to put social media, and then I'll tap the search. Okay, now I'm going to look for a nice image here. I think I'll go with I'm going to use this one. So from there I can tap on the site, and then I can tap the top left button to download your design. Now when you download the design, you can be able to share it from there. In fact, Canva will give you the ability to share it right away. So your design has been saved, and then you can see the complete action using, which means you are going to share using which app. You have all these apps here. You might choose your story, you might choose the WhatsApp, or you might choose to set it as your profile. Now remember, I made it for WhatsApp, but I'm not seeing any WhatsApp story right here. So I can just maybe escape out of this. This is where I can go at the top left, use that direction to go back. You can even use the back buttons. This is where you find the designs that you have created. You can tap on this button and go to edit, or go to resize, or make a copy of it, or even delete it. I'll tap back again, and there you go with the video. There you go with the easiest way to create a post. If you did learn something, you can share it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. If you did, share it with your friends. And also, if you want to learn some more about internet marketing, about how you can create Facebook ads, check out the links in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.